Hey loves, welcome back. In this video, I'm finally getting around to creating my 2022 vision board. So enjoy the tunes, enjoy the girl chat, and watching me try to be creative. And I also want you to leave down below what you are believing for this year.
And it comes with two. Like this one.
Let me see. Oh, it does have two. Oh, that's good. It's a foam board. This foam board will work. That is $6. No, I'm just putting a couple of stuff on mine to match the theme of my room. Because I want it gold with like some plant accents.
No, baby, did it? I have a last one. Look, I have a last one. Look, I have a last shark.
Oh, look, they got sand. I don't think I need any of this for what I'm going for. Bless you, baby. Really? I'm in heaven. I want something that I can glue on it.
Well, it just stopped. Mommy, stop. It's
Okay, these are super expensive. They're like $12 and more. So obviously I found one for $2.99, and this is the only one. And of course the 99-cent ones are all gone. So I guess I'm just gonna have to make it do what it do with this one. Kids are scrapping per usual. So I created these words in Canva using a font package that I purchased a couple of years ago, and I got these gold letters from Michael's. I purchased them because they were already stickers, but to be completely honest, they're not good quality. Despite how much they cost, they were peeling off. They're still peeling off my cardboard, but I didn't want to add too much. I just wanted, a little razzle dazzle in there to make the color of gold in my room really pop. My idea was to basically just use the gold letter for the main focal point of my vision board, which is basically the main focal point of 2022 for me, which if you guys have been watching my vlogs, then you know what I have been working on for the past few months. And that is my online course. So the Money Boss Academy. Basically, it has been years in the making, just from years of working with other women, from taking my trials and tribulations and all of the experiences that I have, and just rolling it all into one self-paced course. And this is like my baby. It's my first real big project, and I just wanted to make it the main point of my vision board for this year. And the first word I'm adding to my vision board is authentic. And I settled on this word because it's been something that I have been struggling with for the past, I will say, a year and a half. And I have to remind myself that my authentic self is my best self. Like, there's nothing wrong with just being who I am naturally at my core. And it's kind of hard to stay true to who you are when you're trying to grow and build a business and you're operating in a space where there are a lot of other creators doing similar things to what you are doing. And it's just to remind myself that I am who I am, and I've gotten to this point by being who I am, and no one can be Diana but Diana. So if you are struggling to accept who you are, I want to let you know you have purpose. You came into this world as an individual because individually you are greatness. I believe we all have greatness inside of us, and you just have to learn to accept who you are to really tap into that zone of genius and just rock it out, girl. So I purposely tried to keep a dollar amount off of my vision board for this year, but I went ahead and put up how much I would make selling a specific number of courses because I, to be honest, want to hit my first $10,000 month, and I know that it's going to be coming in this year. You guys also know I live in a dark, small apartment, and I'm ready for my ceiling to floor windows. So this picture is just perfect. It's exactly what I want in my downtown apartment. So I am putting it on my board just to keep me motivated and focused because I'm ready to move and get out of here. And my car is also over 200,000 miles, and I know she's not going to last me forever. So I'm believing for a new car as well. I'm believing for a new apartment and the car that I want because Black women deserve luxury and ease as well. And going back to my course, I'm believing for 100 transformations or women because I know this is part of my purpose. It is to help transform women's lives through their finances and to make an impact, which is a word I'm placing on my vision board. I want to measure my success not by the amount of money I make a year or my net worth, but by the impact that I'm able to make on other people's lives. And I just find that that helps me to just stay focused and have something worth waking up for every single day. And flow is a big one. So I suffer from anxiety, and I find that a lot of our anxiety comes from us trying to just control everything. But when I'm in the flow of life, like, everything just aligns and it makes sense, and I feel like I'm walking alongside God and my purpose. And here I am clipping the flowers that I bought from Michael's because it was the only one they had left. And to be honest, sis, like, I am not super creative. As you can see, everything is crooked. I realized here in this moment that my vision board was looking a little bland. I wanted it to be purposely kind of plain and basic, but not this plain and basic, okay? So I'm trying to add a little razzle dazzle here, a little pop of color, just to make it look like something. But going back to making it basic, I really just wanted to focus on a few things at a time to keep myself from getting super overwhelmed and to give myself an opportunity to really focus on certain things that would make me feel like I've accomplished something in the year 2022. If I overload myself on goals and I'm not able to hit them, I know that that's really going to suck the confidence out of me. Also, I want to share with you guys my previous vision board. This one was a lot prettier, but I took it down because my son, it's been a couple of years, but he basically ripped a lot of my stuff off. But this was when I was on my debt-free journey. I wanted to get my student loans down to $10,000. I wanted $1,000 in passive income or extra money a month. A new laptop, just showing you guys the power of the tongue, right? Once again, be confident in yourself and stay true to yourself. I love Joanna Gaines because I just feel like she's gonna be her no matter what. Actually, where is it? It was 2019. I wanted 1,000 subscribers, surpassed that. $1,000 a month in extra money from my Money Boss Mama, past that. Got it down to $10,000 and then paid off in 2020. So past that, I never gave up on myself, and I created opportunities for myself with basically like nothing, just going off of pretty much just confidence in myself. I feel like I've done a good job staying true to myself. One thing I've always noticed when people contact me, they're like, thank you for being transparent. And I see a lot of myself in your story. Still working on confidence. I feel like 2019 was a good year. I did get a new laptop. It was not a Mac, but I am just praying for a Mac this year. And yeah, dream, create, and inspire. So there's definitely power in the tongue. I suggest if you do not yet have a vision board, create your vision board, sis. Put it out there into the physical, what you are wanting for your life. Stay true to yourself, create your opportunities, have confidence in your ability.